Hello and welcome. This is Abdul with my first video tutorial on Google Meet. In this video tutorial, I am going to take you through the steps we need to take to access Google Meet and schedule meetings. First of all, let us look at what Google Meet is. Google Meet is an updated form of Hangout with more features. Hangout had some premium features, but now Google has decided to make all these premium features free with the free version. Hello and welcome. This is Abdul with my first video tutorial on Google Meet. In this video tutorial, I am going to take you through the steps we need to take to access Google Meet and schedule meetings. First of all, let us look at what Google Meet is. All of us know Google Hangout, and this Google Hangout has had some premium features not available for free users. But now Google has come out with extra features available for free version. Some premium features added to Hangout, and this package is Google Meet. Now I think these features will be available till September, freely available till September. Now let's see how we can go ahead and access Google Meet. First of all, we have to go to Google page. In fact, there are three ways we can access Google Meet. The first version is this. First way is this. You go to Google and get logged in. And after getting logged in, you can go to click the 9 dots that application icon, the dots icon. Then you can, if you click it, you can come down and see the Google Meet icon. And when you click it, you will be taken to Google Meet. So this is one way of accessing it. The other way is, again, you go to applications and you can go to click it. You can go to calendar, click calendar app. And when you click calendar app, you can hover around the date or time. For example, today, I think today 2 o'clock. Let me click this place. Okay, just the way we make appointments. Okay, so when I click the 2 o'clock, that area, I see this window, and I can add my meeting name, staff meeting, like that, whatever is it, staff meeting, and I can add this meeting here. We have an icon here, add Google Meet video conferencing. Just click this, and when we click this, we'll be taken to, it will be considered as an event for Google Meet. Okay, so this is the second way. We'll be coming to it later one by one. And now the third way is just open a browser and just type meetgoogle.com. So we have three ways of accessing Google Meet. First way is to go to the applications bar and click Google Meet application icon. Second one is go to Google application again and click calendar and click a particular date and time to get an appointment, to make an appointment, and there you can see the Google Meet, that application, click icon. Okay, the third one is just type meet.google.com, and when you type it, you will be taken to the Google Meet landing page. So in this page, so this is a way how we reach in this page. For example, on this page we can see two icons to start a meeting, schedule a meeting. So you can right away start a meeting by clicking this, and when you click that, you will be taken to, so there are two things you have to give permission to. The camera starts and the microphone also gets started. You have to give permission. You should not block it. Okay, so now on the right side we have two things to do. One is join now icon, the other one is present icon. If I click join now icon, I will be taken directly to the meeting arena. So meeting is going to start. Here I have got the link here, so the copy joining info here, and if I copy it, I can share it with my participants. And below that we have an icon. Just click it and add more people to it. So maybe we have to make a list of participants or staff, colleagues, and all these people's IDs can be added here. And when you add it, you can just select the people to whom this link should be sent. So it is an easy procedure. If you add all the members there, you can just select whom you want to send the message to, send the link to. So this is one way of scheduling the meeting. Let's see the other one. Again, go back. Let me go back. We have left the meeting. Schedule again. Okay. So this is I am going to schedule, and I have to give a name for this meeting. For example, again, staff meeting. Staff meeting. Staff meeting. Actually, Google Meet is an application made for official business purposes. So, for example, to make remote executives meeting, online live meeting, all these purposes can be met with Google Meet app. So, staff meeting is my item number, the name of my meeting. Now, below that, I have to click the date. Date is here. Then we have time. Timing is given there. Time zone can be checked. My time zone is Indian time zone. Okay, it's already correct. I don't have to change it. The meeting, all day meeting, doesn't repeat meeting. So you can click if you want to click this. You can. So that doesn't mean there is no particular time. So it can be all day meeting. And below that, or if you untick it, you can check the time and everything like that. Okay. Below that, there are few things you have to provide with event details. So event details, join with Google Meet. This is one link. So if I click this link, I can get the link of the meeting. And then we have the location. You can give the location of the meeting. And now you can send how many people. I mean, how should people get the email notification of this event? Should they get 30 minutes before, or should they get? Okay, we can click it. Should they get? So if I click 54, 56, 60, that means they will get notification before 60 minutes. Okay, now again, this is the email with notification. The other one is notifications. Okay, they will get notification of it. So two ways. So one is the email notification. The other one is notification through other means, maybe calendar or whatever is it. You can use all these things. We'll be coming to it in the features session. Now we can send emails and we can send notification through calendar and all this. Okay, now below that, add notification. This is notification. I am the host. My name will be there. We can type down some description of the meeting. So, for example, staff meeting, I will have to discuss these academic things. Okay, I can list out, describe, give a short description of the meeting. So, this is how we schedule a meeting. So now on the guest part, okay, find a time. Here also we have another thing. So you can find a time, staff meeting. You can just click exact time here. It's also possible. Okay, so we don't have to go into these things. So we have seen how to schedule a meeting. And the guest part, guest can modify the meeting. They can invite others. These things can be modified. If you give permission for the participants to invite other participants, you can just click this. If you give permission to participants to modify the event, you can take this. These are the things you can do. Okay, now after doing this, we can save. So what we have done so far is scheduled the meeting, click the link, and now we have already scheduled, listed everything, checked everything. So you can have all these things here. Now let me save this meeting. So the meeting is saved, staff meeting 12:30. So I have saved it. Now again, let me go back. We can do this thing. Just click it. If I click it, I can find details of the meeting. Staff meeting. This is the 30 minutes before, 1 hour before email, 30 minutes before other notification. Okay, these are the things we have already said. Now we can email, send the message through email. Just add the email here, add all the emails here, and after that, okay, let me add one email. After that, staff meeting. Okay, after that, you can just click send. So we have provided all the emails, and now I'm sending this. So you can just send. So the message has been sent. Okay, this is one option of sending the invitation. Okay, you can also take a print of this, and you can also duplicate this, publish the event. You can publish the event. You can even publish the event. Copy it and publish it using some other calendar or some other feature, so that Google will notify your meeting, announce the meeting. So these are the things you can do while scheduling meeting using this link. Now let us see how what we can do through calendar logging. Okay, let me see. So all these things are similar. Now let us go back. Let us go back and let's go back. Click calendar. So I have clicked calendar. Now I'm going. So the scheduled meeting is here. The one advantage of Google Meet is that everything is being scheduled right on the calendar, and maybe the calendar will notify people or notify people who use Google Calendar. So they get notification. You don't have to send messages to them. They will find the schedules on the calendar itself. So this is one advantage of doing it, and we too don't have to bother about keep a record of the meetings, because all these things will be kept documented in the calendar itself. So it's really one good possibility of one good way of organizing our schedules. Okay, fine. Let's see. This is the calendar. Let me check another date, another time. Okay, okay, maybe 3 o'clock. So we find the same thing. Add Google Meet video conferencing. Let me click this. The day and date is given here. The next one is add Google Meet video conferencing. Let me click this. So I'm adding it. So this event has been added to Google Meet conference. Okay. Now all the same thing we have done in the previous session. You can send emails to people 30 minutes before. You can send notification to people 30 minutes before. You can add an extra description of it. So these are the different ways of scheduling your meeting on Google Meet. So let's see how we can go ahead with the features and how we can make use of the features in the next two videos. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.